Alright, so today we're demonstrating how to install one of our GPS trackers most suitable for motorbikes on a motorbike. This is the Teltonika FMM 880. We're going to brand this as our ImmoTrack Go tracker. Very, very simple, very slim line. Literally only has 2 wires that connect to it. Just go to your battery and you can plug it in pretty much immediately. So let's get it done in real time. So this particular bike, the battery is very easy to get to, so you might perhaps consider it cheating a little. But this would normally be under your seat on most bikes. This is a BMW K1300R. And I'm just trying to get this to show you easily. So there's the battery. That's where we can put the tracker. You can hide it wherever. There's lots of space. In this particular bike, you could actually hide this tracker. You could, of course, put it under the seat and extend your cables if you needed to, but you get around about 40 centimeters, maybe half a meter to play with, that you can actually hide the tracker depending where it is. Like all Teltonika trackers, you have to hold the, it does say this side up, and this one comes with a pre-provided 3M VHB double-sided tape. This is the best stuff to use, absolutely the best stuff to use. So what we're going to do today, just for a demonstration, is we're just going to sit it here. I'm not even going to actually stick this down. I'll sit it there and I'll plug it into the battery right now. Okay, so let's get going. So because these are a U-clamp, you don't need to remove these bolts completely. And any motorbike rider will tell you that's bloody good, because often these batteries have captive nuts, which are really annoying to work with. So we'll just go under there with that one, and we'll go under here on this one, and we'll tighten back up. Whoop. Don't go too hard, you don't want to bend your cables or break your cables. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the tracker is actually running. We have the lights flashing on this device, and let's just tuck those away for now, and we'll go to the web app on my phone. Alright, so here we are on the web app. Oh, that's going to be out of focus a little bit. We can see K1300R has just recently checked in. It is 10:42 AM. I might just zoom out a little bit so you can see a little bit more. Yep, 13.11 volts, that looks correct. We're now ready to go. So let's button it back up. Let's pretend that we've glued this down for this demonstration purpose, and we'll see the completion. Make sure those are tucked away. There we go, job done. Now, like our other trackers, out of the box we provide you with towing detection, movement detection, obviously if it leaves the geofence, crash detection, all the other things you can configure via the web app, but she's ready to go. The other benefit is on the motorbike GPS trackers, we pre-configure these to go into ultra deep sleep mode, which basically means they're pulling well under 5 milliamps of current when they're asleep. If your bike though is in storage for a long time, 3 to 5 milliamps of current can be enough to drain a small battery. So if you are not riding your bike for long periods of time, when you have a GPS tracker, we do recommend putting it on a trickle charger.